Sure, here are some additional details about the top 5 happiest countries in the world. Finland. Finland has consistently ranked as the happiest country in the world for several years now. Its strong social welfare system, high levels of trust and low levels of corruption, combined with its emphasis on work-life balance and access to nature, are some of the factors contributing to its happiness. Denmark. Denmark has also been a consistent top performer in the World Happiness Report. Its strong sense of community, high levels of social trust, and robust welfare system are among the factors that contribute to the country's happiness. Switzerland. Switzerland is known for its strong economy, beautiful natural scenery, and high standard of living. The country has a strong focus on work-life balance, with a shorter work week and generous vacation time for workers. Iceland. Iceland is known for its stunning natural beauty, low levels of pollution, and a strong sense of community. The country has a high level of social equality, a low crime rate, and a strong commitment to environmental sustainability. Netherlands. The Netherlands is known for its liberal attitudes and high quality of life. The country has a strong focus on work-life balance, with flexible working hours and a commitment to reducing stress and burnout in the workplace.